Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we'll explore 8 different methods to delete those pesky blank rows in Excel. So let's dive right in. To delete a blank row in Excel, and the first method of deleting blank rows must be the manual way. Let's take a look at this straightforward approach. First, visually scan through your Excel worksheet and identify the rows that contain blank cells. These are the rows you'll be deleting. Click on the row number of the first blank row you want to delete. Then, holding the Control key, click on the row number of the last blank row in the selection. This action will highlight all the rows you want to remove. Right-click anywhere within the selected rows, and from the context menu that appears, choose the Delete option. A confirmation prompt will pop up. You can also go to Home tab, click on the Delete command, then choose Delete Sheet Rows menu. Take a moment to review your modified worksheet and ensure that the desired blank rows have been successfully deleted. If you accidentally deleted any rows, you can use the Undo button or the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C, to reverse the action. If you have additional blank rows that need deleting, simply repeat steps 2 to 3 until you have removed all the unwanted empty rows from your Excel worksheet. Now let's talk about the Go To function. By using the Go To Special option, you can quickly find and select all the blank cells. On the Home tab, click Find and select Command under Editing Group. This will be your handy tool for finding the blank cells. Click on Go To Special. A new dialog box called Go To Special will appear. Here, select the Blanks option and click OK. Excel will now select all the blank cells within the specified range. Right-click on any of the selected cells, and from the context menu, choose Delete. In the Delete dialog box, select Entire Row and click OK. Let's start with method number 3, which involves using the reliable Find and Delete feature. Follow these detailed steps to eliminate those blank rows in Excel. Begin by opening your Excel file and navigating to the worksheet where you want to delete blank rows. Press Ctrl+F to open the Find dialog box. In the Find dialog box, leave the Find What field empty or with a single space. This will instruct Excel to search for blank cells within the selected range. To access additional options, click on the Options button in the Find dialog box. This will expand the Options menu. Ensure that the Within field is set to Sheet to search the entire worksheet for blank cells. Enable Match Entire Cell Contents option. Ensure that the search field is set to By Rows, and choose Values option in the Look and drop-down list. This way, no empty cells will go unnoticed. Click on the Find All button to initiate the search. Excel will display a list of all the cells that match the search criteria, in this case, the blank cells. Select all the cells in the list by pressing Ctrl+A, or by clicking on the first cell, holding the Shift key, and clicking on the last cell in the list. Right-click on any of the selected cells and choose Delete from the context menu. In the Delete dialog box, select Entire Row and click OK. Let's move on to method number 4, which involves utilizing the powerful filter feature in Excel to delete those blank rows. Follow along with these step-by-step instructions. Start by opening your Excel file and navigating to the worksheet containing the data. Select the entire range of cells that you want to filter for blank rows. In the Excel ribbon, go to the Data tab and click on the Filter button. This will apply the filter to your selected range. Once the filter is applied, you will notice drop-down arrows in the header row of each column. Click on the drop-down arrow of the column that may contain blank cells. In the drop-down menu, uncheck the Select All option and check the box for blanks. This will filter and display only the rows that contain blank cells in that column. With the filtered rows displayed, select all the visible rows by clicking on the first row number and dragging the selection down to the last visible row. Right-click on the selected cell and then click Delete Row from the drop-down menu list. Next up, we have the Filter and Delete method. By applying an advanced filter, you can easily filter out the blank rows, select them, and bid them farewell with a quick delete. You need to set up a filter criteria range based on one column heading in your original data, such as cell A1. You can use two formulas as criteria range. Equals A1, equals. Enter the first formula into cell G1, and type the second formula into cell G2. Go to Data tab, click on Advanced Command under Sort and Filter Group. Enable Copy to Another Location option, select your original data, $A1, $C7, as list range. Select G1. G2 as your criteria range, and then select one blank cell to place the filtered data. Press OK button. You would see that all the data without any blank rows have been copied to another location. Method number 6 involves sorting your data and deleting the blank rows. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Select the entire range of cells that you want to work with, such as A1, C7. In the Excel ribbon, go to the Data tab and click on the button, Sort A to Z, or Sort Z to A. After the data is sorted, the blank rows will typically appear at the top or bottom of the sorted range. Scroll through the data and identify the blank rows. Click and drag over the row numbers of the blank rows to select them. Right-click on any of the selected row numbers and choose Delete from the context menu. Method number 7 introduces a powerful feature called Power Query, which allows you to perform advanced data transformations in Excel. Let's explore how Power Query can help us delete blank rows. Start by selecting the data range you want to work with in Excel. Then, go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon and click on the Get Data button. From the drop-down menu, choose from Table, Range to open the Power Query editor. In the Power Query editor, you'll see a preview of your data. Go to Home tab, and press the Remove Rows button. Select the Remove Blank Rows menu. You can see that all the blank rows should be removed immediately in the Power Query editor. After deleting the blank rows, click on the Close and Load button in the Power Query editor to apply the changes and load the updated data back into Excel. Amazing! With Power Query, you have the ability to remove blank rows from your data with ease, providing you with a clean and organized dataset. Method number 8 involves using a VBA macro to automate the process of deleting blank rows in Excel. Let's explore how you can utilize this powerful feature. In Excel, press Alt plus F11 on your keyboard to open the VBA editor. This is where you can write and run VBA macros. In the VBA editor, go to the Insert menu and choose Module. This will create a new module where you can write your macro code. In the module window, write the VBA code to delete blank rows. You can use a loop to iterate through each row in the selected range and check if it's blank. If a row is blank, it can be deleted using the delete method. For detailed VBA code, you can get it from my site. Close the VBA editor and return to your Excel worksheet. To run the macro, press Alt plus F8 to open the macro dialog box. Select the macro you created and click Run. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more Excel tutorials coming your way. Until next time, happy Excelling!